Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
The teacher did not hesitate to help a young woman who was in her last year of high school and generated the appreciation of other former attendees of the establishment. The image of a Tucuman teacher with a baby in his arms began to circulate on social networks and generated a great stir among students and colleagues. Is that the child is the son of a student who, while she studied, the man offered to carry him and put him to sleep. This is Julio Cruz, who teaches at the Republic of Panama School of Commerce in the Tucumán city of Concepcion. There, Moria Hinojosa is in her last year of high school, a few months after being a mother. At school, he found the solidarity of his classmates and teachers, in addition to, in particular, the help of Cruz, who did not hesitate to care for the little boy while the student studied. He and they are a great pride for Argentine education. They are people who do not care what they will say about others and help those who need it without asking for anything. From the beginning of my pregnancy, I went to the RDP school, and each and every one of the members of the educational group stood by me, giving me support and help when I needed it the most, Hinojosa said on her Facebook social media. Along with the publication, she added photos of the members of the institution and added, "When I started taking Santino, none of them denied that he was there with me. Furthermore, they did not want him to be missing at any time so as to not stop seeing him, and the affection continued to grow along with him." Among the photos, the image of Cruz that carries the sleeping baby while teaching classes, and that he even shared on his social networks, stands out. My youngest 5th grade student, Titi, of the ECRP, spectacular behavior. He accompanies his mother to classes. Santino Benjamin blessings, expressed the teacher. The case caused the support of other students who know the teacher. Even Ariel Bajiano Figueroa expressed on his Facebook social network, "Those of us who know him know of his ability, predisposition, humility, and above all, generosity as a professional."
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.